Namaste, beloveds, and as you are aware, my WhatsApp account got hacked. You'll say, yes, we already know that. But what I want to talk to you about is that the person or the people who have done this, because ever since my account got hacked, I've come to know of others who have experienced the same thing. I have gotten to know of people who've gotten cheated to the tune of lakhs of rupees, some people crores of rupees, you know. And today, with everything being online, with being digital, and all of that, uh, this entire platform is being so misused, right? But as with all good things, the human being has a tendency to do that. Everything we get, we misuse. We got phones, we misuse them because we are at it all the time, 24 by 7. Anything good, we have a tendency to do that. But here, what I actually want to speak to you about is that when we do things like this, today these things are called cyber crimes, right? And I feel very, very sorry for the perpetrators, for the victims also. But then I also believe in karma. And so I also believe that perhaps at some point in time in my life, somewhere, not this life, some other life, I must have done something, by which this has come forth in my life today. Could be that that's also not the case. This is a choice that the perpetrator is choosing, right, to make. But like I said, I feel sorry for these people because they do not know the seeds that they are sowing for their own futures, for the futures of their families, their children, their grandchildren, because you cannot escape anything that you do. You may cheat people, you may take their money, you may have lakhs of rupees today, and you think you've done a very wonderful and great thing, but one day you're going to have to pay for it. जो गलत काम करेगा उसको उसकी भरपाई तो करनी पड़ेगी. आपने लोगों को चीट किया है, उनके पैसे ऐंठे हैं, उनको बुद्धू बना के, बूढ़े बूढ़े लोगों को जिनको जानकारी नहीं है उनका फ़ायदा उठा के, पीपल हु आर एल्डरली हु हैव नो क्लू, उनको लिंक्स भेज के, नोइंग कि वो उसको यू नो व्हाट यू से इन हिंदी, नोइंग कि वो यूज़ करेंगे वो लिंक, और फिर आप उनके अकाउंट्स में चले जाओगे और आप फिर उनके बैंक से पैसे निकाल लोगे और बस आपकी बल्ले बल्ले, right? You think they'll click on the link, you'll get access to their bank accounts, and then yay, life is a party for you. Let me tell you, my friend, your life may be a party right now, but you are in deep, deep, big time trouble. That's coming up in your future and the future of your children. Because if you're a cheat, you have done this to many, many people, your children will have to bear the consequences in their next lives. These things come also because I'm a student of astrology, so I'm telling you, these things will come forth in the lives of your grandchildren as having had a grandfather who treated people, and so they will have to suffer in their lives. Nothing goes unnoticed by the great divine universe, God, Allah, Ma, whatever name you want to call it. There is always divine justice for whatever we do, है ना. कोई भी चीज़ आप करिए, उसकी जानकारी अल्लाह, माँ, भगवान, उनको होती ही होती है. आप ये चीज़ें छुपा नहीं सकते और ना आप इनसे बच सकते हो, इनके परिणाम से नहीं बच सकते. किसी दिन आपको, आपके आगे की पीढ़ियों को, सॉरी, बहुत तकलीफ़ होने वाली है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा तकलीफ़ होने वाली है. आपके एक्शन से, ये जो आपने किया है लोगों को, है ना, आप चीट कर रहे हो लोगों को, आप उल्लू बना रहे हो, आप बूढ़े बूढ़े लोगों के पैसे ऐंठ रहे हो, जिनकी जिंदगी का वो सहारा है, अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हैं, बहुत बुरा होगा आपके साथ। और ये मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ, ये यूनिवर्स कह रहा है, ये अल्लाह कह रहे हैं, भगवान कह रहे हैं, माँ कह रही है, क्योंकि कोई बच नहीं सकता। जो यूनिवर्स का कानून है वो कानून है, कर्म तो कर्म ही है और उसकी भरपाई आपको करनी ही पड़ेगी। सो ये दिस इज द मैसेज दैट आई वांटेड टू सेंड आउट, दैट यू कैन नॉट एस्केप एनीथिंग दैट यू डू इट, nothing goes unnoticed, and you will have to pay for it, my friend. So I feel very sorry for you, all the best to you। आगे जाके सोच समझ के कदम बढ़ाएं, दुनिया में सोच समझ के अपने अल्फाज यूज करें आप, because the life is temporary, you don't know when you will go from this world, but all these things will go with you, every word that you have uttered, every action that you have enacted, thought, word, action, feeling, वो सब जाएंगे आपके साथ। So, all the best. Loads of light, loads of love to you, beloveds, and deep gratitude for listening to me as always. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Gratitude, gratitude, gratitude.